Just add fabric softener to Coca-Cola and you'll be shocked by the results. It might sound unusual, but this unexpected combination is about to become your new favorite cleaning trick. Stay with me until the end. You won't want to miss a second of this. Let's start with a bottle of Coca-Cola. Pour about 1 capful of your favorite fabric softener directly into the bottle. That's all it takes, just 1 capful. Once added, tightly seal the bottle and give it a good shake. This step is crucial to blend the ingredients completely. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now let's take it up a notch. Carefully pour this mixture into a bowl. This makes it easier to add the next powerful ingredient. Grab your baking soda and add 1 tablespoon into the bowl. You'll immediately see a bit of fizz, and that's exactly what we want. Baking soda is a natural cleanser that deodorizes, lifts stains, and scrubs away tough messes. Mix everything together until it becomes smooth and well combined. Next, it's time to transfer this magic mix into a spray bottle. Using a funnel helps avoid spills. Once the bottle is filled, secure the cap and give it one last shake to ensure everything is blended perfectly. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now let's get to the fun part, testing it out. Start with your bathroom sink. Spray the surface generously and let it sit for a couple of minutes. The Coke helps break down grime, the baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, and the fabric softener leaves behind a clean, fresh scent. Wipe with a sponge or cloth and watch the shine come through. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Move on to your faucet or metal fixtures, especially if they have water spots or rust. Spray the solution, wait a minute, then scrub gently with a sponge. You'll see the rust vanish and the chrome shine come right back. This solution is not only effective, it's budget-friendly and uses ingredients you probably already have at home. No more spending on overpriced, chemical-laden cleaners. This method is safe, simple, and powerful. Now let's talk about the toilet bowl. If you've been battling stubborn yellow stains or buildup, this is the answer. Spray the mixture generously inside the bowl, focus on the rim and waterline, and scrub with a toilet brush. Let it sit for a few more minutes before flushing. The stains lift off with ease. And the best part? Your bathroom now smells incredible. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. So before you toss out that half-empty bottle of Coke, give this trick a try. You'll be amazed at the results, and your bathroom will look cleaner, smell fresher, and feel like it's just been professionally cleaned. That wraps up today's tip. If you loved this hack, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy and affordable cleaning solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Just put a candle in Vicks VapoRub. After learning this, I never stayed at the hospital's door again. I stopped spending money. Do this, and you'll never have this problem again. To start our simple tip, we will only need 3 candles. Put them in a pan. Then, place on low heat and let them melt. I never realized I could do this at home. I started saving a lot of money. My children and I never had to go to the hospital again after learning this wonderful trick. Once the candles are completely melted, remove the wick. Do not throw away the leftover wicks. We will still use them. And now comes our most important ingredient for this to work. We will need Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub is well known in every household. We will need just 1 tablespoon of Vicks. Add it and stir until the Vicks paste melts and mixes completely with the candle wax. Once this is done, turn off the heat. Now transfer the melted wax to a container. You can use any container you want, as long as it is not plastic. Next, we will add a bit of clove. The cloves will play a very important role in our tip, and there is no exact amount of cloves. You can add as many as you want. Then, mix well. I learned this trick from an old nurse. It is a powerful and infallible trick. I bet you won't spend money on expensive medications at the pharmacy anymore. After mixing well, our tip is almost ready. Remember the wick I said to set aside? We will use it now with the help of a clothespin. Just place the wick in the center of the container. Leave it for a few minutes until the candle hardens. After some time, it will look like this. See how it turned out. It is wonderful, and you will thank me when I tell you what it's for. Now you just need to remove the clothespin. Then, cut off the excess wick, and you can light it. What you just made is a wonderful sanitary and insect repellent candle. Making an aromatic candle with Vicks VapoRub can bring interesting health benefits, especially in terms of relief, breathing, and relaxation. It can help alleviate mild respiratory problems, such as nasal congestion, due to its expectorant properties. Making a candle with Vicks VapoRub has the medicinal properties of certain plants and essential oils. This candle was primarily created for the treatment of chest congestion, cough, and other cold symptoms. Just leave it in your room and inhale it while you sleep. It will provide you with all the mentioned benefits while you sleep. And along with the clove, it will help keep all kinds of insects out of your house, especially mosquitoes. Clove has a compound called eugenol, which has insecticidal and repellent properties, keeping all kinds of flying insects away. If you live in an area with many insects and don't know what to do anymore, prepare this homemade candle. This was today's tip, and I hope you liked it. Enjoy this video and send it to your friends and family who really need this amazing advice. I am sure it will help a lot. Then come back here and thank me. Thank you very much. God bless you all and see you in the next video.
Your husband will love you madly after trying this method. With these simple ingredients, you'll be amazed by the results. If you think your husband no longer looks at you with the same enthusiasm as before, all you need is a banana and toothpaste. To start this recipe, we'll need a banana. First, peel the banana. Then mash it thoroughly with a fork. This will make your husband look at you in that special way again, rekindling that lost spark. So, pay close attention to the ingredients and preparation method. Bananas contain minerals and vitamins such as A and C, as well as antioxidants, potassium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. They also help cleanse the face and lighten dark areas on the body. After thoroughly mashing the banana, add a tablespoon of sugar. Next, include a teaspoon of toothpaste, which can be either white or colored. Finally, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil helps prevent crust formation, speeds up skin healing, and avoids infections. Mix everything well until the ingredients are completely incorporated. If you feel self-conscious wearing certain clothes in public or during intimate moments with your husband because of dark spots on your legs, thighs, groin, or chest, this mixture will be a great help. After mixing well, apply it to the dark areas of your body. Usage instructions. Apply this mixture to intimate areas like the groin, legs, and between the breasts. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then, wash the treated areas well, and you'll immediately notice that your skin feels softer and more alluring. Apply this mixture every night, and you'll see results in just a few days. Additionally, your skin will become brighter and more attractive. This recipe removes dark spots in only a few days. The mixture can also be used to soften other parts of the body, such as elbows, knees, and underarms. If you've made it this far, it means you found our video helpful. Share this tip with your friends and family. This recipe can also be applied to the face to lighten spots and prevent acne. It's an excellent exfoliant for the skin, helping to remove dead cells, reduce wrinkles, eliminate acne, and lighten dark spots. I'll stop here. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this tip in the comments, and let me know if you'd try it at home. Take the opportunity to tell me from which country and city you're watching this video. That way, I can better get to know the people who follow me. I'm sure that if you follow this tip, you'll achieve amazing results. Follow our page for more advice like this. See you next time. A big kiss. Chinese technique to have baby-like skin. Why does a Chinese doctor tell his patients to put toothpaste on tomatoes? This mixture might seem strange, but once you find out what it's for, you'll thank me. Did you know that almost 80% of the population has skin imperfections, especially on the face and intimate areas? Today, I will teach you how to prepare this powerful homemade trick, which has left many people surprised with the incredible results they're getting. Stay with me until the end to find out where to apply this recipe, and I'll show you why many mix toothpaste with salt and sugar. Toothpaste contains a component called sodium fluoride, which, when combined with tomatoes, works wonders for your beauty. I'm sure your friends will ask you about this recipe since many women are taking full advantage of this powerful trick. So, if you want to look younger, eliminate imperfections, wrinkles, and make your skin baby soft, stay with me until the end. To start this recipe, cut a tomato in half. After cutting, dice the tomato into small pieces. Now, add the tomato pieces to the blender. Turn the blender on and let it run for a few minutes until all the pieces turn into liquid. The result is incredible and will amaze you. Then, pour this liquid into a container. It's important to strain all the tomato liquid to remove the residue. Once that's done, add 3 tablespoons of tomato juice to a container. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix everything very well until the ingredients are completely integrated. When the mixture is ready, apply it to the stained areas using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse with plenty of water and soap. This trick can be done daily, and you'll see results as those annoying imperfections start to disappear. It eliminates burns, scars, and bruises. Now that you know the trick with toothpaste and tomato, let me tell you about the combination of toothpaste with sugar and salt. Many of us suffer from dark spots, but by mixing toothpaste, sugar, and salt, we have the perfect combination to eliminate blackheads. This would help me a lot, doctor, but how do I do it the right way? Start by adding 1 tablespoon of sugar to a container. Also, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix everything very well until the ingredients are completely combined. Once the mixture is ready, it's ready to use. Where to apply this mixture? Apply it to the nose area, gently massaging for a period of 2 to 4 minutes. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then remove it with water and soap. You can do this trick 3 times a week at night. Quickly, you'll see how spots, wrinkles, fine lines, and crow's feet will disappear. If wrinkles and dark spots on your face bother you, do this today. I'm sure you'll love the results and teach this trick to everyone. If this advice was helpful to you, it can also be for your friends and family. I'll leave it here for now. A big kiss, and may God bless you.